All right, let's take a look at number 37 and 38 from the assignment from section 5. First of all, you might rewrite this with negative exponents, and then we'd let u equal theta to the negative 1 power. And du dx would be negative 1 times theta to the negative 2 power. So du is equal to that dx. And keep in mind that we're trying to do substitutions here. So this will get substituted there. We should say u will get put in that place. And then for the du, we need d theta times theta to the negative 2. So we just need this part. So we want to multiply both sides of this equation by negative 1. So negative du is equal to theta to the negative 2 power d theta, which is exactly what we need for the substitution. All right, and here comes the u substitution. Theta to the negative 1 is u, and theta to the negative 2 du is negative du. So the antiderivative of cosine of u is sine of u, so we have negative sine of u plus c, and now we'll resubstitute that u was equal to theta to the negative 1 power. So our final answer is the opposite sine of 1 over theta plus c. All right, let's take a look over at number 38. So we'll let the u equal x squared. Notice how very often the u function in a u substitution will be the function that's on the inside, not the outside like x, and not the sine, but the inside of a composite function. All right, so if u is equal to x squared, we can see ahead that du dx is going to be 2x. So du is equal to 2x dx. When I said we can see ahead, we can see that if u is x squared, the derivative of that would be 2x, and we do have a factor of x. But we just need x, so we'll multiply both sides by a half on this side, and we have 1/2 du is equal to x dx. All right, I'm going to highlight again. So u is going to go there, and 1/2 du is equal to x dx. I don't know what happened to my other bar of the x. There we go. All right, so x dx, which is right there. And now we'll do our substitution. X dx is just 1/2 of du, that being red, and this is sine of u. So the red part is 1/2 du, that takes care of the x dx, and sine of the green part is sine of u. We'll rearrange this a little bit, sine of u du, and the 1/2 out front. So taking the antiderivative of sine is a negative cosine, so we have negative 1/2 cosine of u plus c, and our final answer is negative 1/2 cosine of u plus c.